Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday or Saturday, whenever I upload this. I just wanted to share with you guys our vlog from today. We went to a rescue farm in our area. It's called Celestial Farms. I think that's how you say it, Celestial. They just take in a lot of animals that either need help or have been abandoned, farm animals. And so you'll see all the ones that are in this video. I think the only thing that we didn't see today was the cow. I don't know if they had one, but we didn't. We were looking for one. But it's a really neat place if you are in the area and you want to check it out. I'll leave the link below, their Facebook page. They're always posting on there. Since it's summertime, they have a lot of neat events going on just for kids, and they always have like daily activities. It is free to get in, but they encourage donations because they it costs $1,000 a month, I believe it is, to feed all of the animals. So of course, since they don't charge people to come there, we just always like to leave them a donation. So I was really sad I didn't get it on video, but the kids did take $5 each. So they have like a little box at the front that you can put it into, and that was just our contribution. We only stayed about an hour and a half, and everything's right in one little area. It's really, really nice. So if you are looking for something to do, and like I said, you're in the area, definitely go check it out because we love it there. We're definitely going to make it a thing. I think every other week I might take them there, but enough talking. I vlogged this, so if you want to check it out, our vlog, our Friday vlog, or if you have any little kids that might enjoy watching Eva and Branch's little adventure, then y'all stay tuned, and I will see you next week in the next video. We're going to see the animals? Yay! Oh, touch them.
Build a tree. Always have big tree.
You gotta be sweet. Look how many there are. Oh, they're out there.
Oh, look right here, baby. Look. Get her to come.
Hey, what is that? Those are baby horses? They're called ponies.
Ripped around.
He wants to go by himself. Whoa.
Good job.
Oh, yeah. Huh? Oh, you can't stay up. That's what he was doing. A bunny.
Oh, Lord, look how tiny. Look at it, one scratch at his ear. He's so tiny.
Those are little canes.
What is that? What is that, Branch? Oh, look.
That's a billy goat.
Oh, she's so smart.
Oh, when we...
What?
You want to go pet them? What's in there?
Yeah.
It's locked?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like Alice in Wonderland.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Go. Woo, woo. Want to go again? Did you give the animals some money?
Yeah.
How much money did you give them?
Uh-oh.
How much money did you give them?
$2.
$2?
Yeah.
Oh, what are they going to do with that money?
Pay down toy.
They're going to get some toys? And what else? They going to get some food?
Yeah.
Good job.
Baby Baba.
And a baby baba?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And baby Patty.
And a baby passy?
Yeah, children. And two baby goat Patty.
Oh, baby goat passies?
Yeah.
Oh, those goats were so sweet, huh?
Yeah. I mean that baby goat and mama goat and daddy goat.
You saw all those?
Yeah.
What? Can you tell me where we went today?
Do the animal.
We saw the animals?
Yeah.
What kind of animals did you see?
And baby duck and mama duck.
Baby duck and mama duck?
No, a baby duck.
Oh, baby goat.
And mommy goat. And baby duck. And baby butter duck.
The whole family of goats?
Yeah.
Wow.
And daddy duck.
And a daddy goat?
Yeah.
Whoa, I love your hair. What kind of hair is that? Elsa hair? Oh my goodness. All right. Now what are we gonna go do?
Play in my pee pool.
We're gonna go play in your pink pool in the back. Who are we gonna go play with?
Day.
Drake?
Yeah.
Who's Drake?
He's daddy.
He's your doggy?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Roomba and Peggy. Roomba.
And Roomba. It's not Roomba, baby. It's Reba. Reba?
Yeah.
Who's Reba?
He's Piggy.
That's your pet piggy?
Yeah. Hey, mommy Piggy.
Oh, the mommy piggy's at the farm?
Yeah. Baby Piggy.
And the baby piggy's in the backyard?
Yeah.
And that's Reba? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's go see it.
Not Roomba.
Not Roomba, it's Reba. Roomba's the vacuum. You scared of the vacuum? Oh, it's okay. All right, say bye-bye, everyone. We're going outside.
Bye-bye, everyone outside. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Put my baby. Bye.